Hello and welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you a very special recipe. It's my own creation. It's wonderful, delicious, and easy to make. Here are the ingredients. I have cooked chickpea and white beans for over an hour. Of course, I soaked it the night before. Then I'm going to add parsley. This is about a bunch and a half of parsley. Then I have chopped green onions, and I have some tarragon. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder is 1 teaspoon of each. I'm going to add some extra virgin cold press olive oil, and the best is going to be our lemon. Take your fork, squeeze the lemon. And then mix it very well. Your dinner is ready. This is a very simple and delicious recipe. I hope you make it, enjoy it. Bon appetit and Nusha John. See you next time.